Are you ready to find out everything there is to know about the top 5 eyeshadow palettes? Well, you've come to the right place. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're looking for a versatile eyeshadow palette that will take you through every season, then we've got the perfect recommendation for you, the Beslin 12 Colors Makeup Palette. With its wide range of colors, from nude matte to shimmer and glitter pigments, this palette has got you covered for any look you want to achieve. Not only are the shades super soft and highly pigmented, but they also have excellent ductility and strong adhesion, ensuring they last all day long. But that's not all. We understand how frustrating it can be to receive broken eyeshadows. That's why our safe packaging method reduces the chances of breakage, giving you peace of mind while enjoying your shopping experience. What sets this palette apart is its ability to blend and combine matte and shimmer shades seamlessly. Whether you want a smoky look or a natural everyday look, these long-lasting eyeshadows can be easily blended wet or dry for endless possibilities. The clever color combinations in this palette will make your eyes appear more vivid and give them a rich three-dimensional sense. Not only is this palette convenient for everyday use, but it's also great for exploring different makeup artistry looks. Whether it's a casual outing or a special occasion like a party or wedding, this palette has got you covered. And here's an added bonus: this eyeshadow palette is vegan and cruelty-free. We're proud to say that we have never and will never test on animals. The high-quality hypoallergenic formula ensures that these colors are not only easy to apply but also easy to wash off. So why wait? Get your hands on the Beslin 12 Colors Makeup Palette and let your creativity shine. Let your creative side shine with the Rainbow Color Palette, a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. This professional eyeshadow palette features 39 vibrant and pigmented shades that will help you create endless stunning looks. With a combination of matte and shimmer shadows, you can easily blend and play with different textures to achieve your desired intensity. Whether it's for a day at the office or a glamorous night out, this palette has got you covered. Not only is it cruelty-free and vegan, but it also offers long-lasting color that stays put all day. So go ahead, express yourself with the Rainbow Color Palette and let your eyes be the center of attention. Rosalie from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "So pigmented and so many options. I can't wait to try more of their products." If you're in need of some stunning blue and teal tones for your eye makeup, look no further than the Delancey Dolphin Eyeshadow Palette. This palette features 9 cool tone shades, including sky blue, ocean teal, forest green, and more. With 6 matte finishes and 3 shimmery shades, you can create a variety of captivating looks. The velvety powder formula is highly pigmented, ensuring intense color release without any creasing. Suitable for all skin tones, these bold colors will enhance your inner beauty no matter your eye color. The palette is travel-friendly, allowing you to bring the magic of these shades wherever you go. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, so you can enjoy guilt-free glam. Elevate your eye makeup game with the Delancey Dolphin Eyeshadow Palette today. If you're a fan of bold and dramatic eye makeup looks, then the Smoky Eye by Maki Yika is a must-have in your collection. With its matte black, white, gray, and silver shades, this eyeshadow palette offers endless possibilities for creating stunning smoky eye looks. Whether you prefer a subtle shimmer or intense metallic finish, this palette has got you covered. Not only is this palette perfect for creating gothic makeup, skull makeup, or vampire-inspired looks, but it also allows you to explore your creativity and experiment with different styles. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient to carry wherever you go, ensuring you can always achieve your desired eye look. The smooth and soft texture of the eyeshadows makes them easy to apply with both brushes and fingers. You can use them for shading, highlighting, and defining your eyes, brows, and even the contours of your face. Plus, these high-quality eyeshadows are vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using them. Whether it's for yourself or as a gift for family and friends during special occasions like Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year's, the Smoky Eye by Maki Yika is a perfect choice. Experience the long-lasting and smudge-proof colors that will keep your eyeshadow makeup looking flawless throughout the day. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this stunning eyeshadow palette. If you're searching for a truly out-of-this-world eyeshadow palette, look no further than the Tint Arc Galactic Assemble Eyeshadow Palette. This unique space-inspired palette features 14 vibrant colors that will help you create space-like eyes that are simply mesmerizing. From the fiery reds of Mars to the icy blues of Neptune, each shade is carefully formulated with high-quality multicolored metallic and shimmer-based pigments. What sets this palette apart is its handmade and limited edition design. Each planet-inspired eyeshadow comes in a 3D convex shape, making it easy to apply and blend. The palette even includes a frosty asteroid belt with 4 individual chunky glitter shades swirled together for that ultimate intergalactic look. Not only is this palette fun and colorful, but it's also safe and healthy for your skin. It is talc-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and contains no animal-derived ingredients. The creamy gel formula is long-lasting, waterproof, and easy to work with, ensuring your eye makeup stays flawless from morning to night. With its unique design, vibrant colors, and commitment to clean beauty, the Tint Arc Galactic Assemble Eyeshadow Palette is a must-have for any makeup enthusiast looking to create stunning and space-inspired eye looks. Get ready to unleash your creativity and channel the wonders of the galaxy with this remarkable eyeshadow palette. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 eyeshadow palettes. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.